I'm Lucas Ciona. I'm a left winger slash right winger. I'm from Edmonton, Alberta. If I could choose anybody to play hockey with, I'd play with my uncle. He got me into hockey, so he's kind of my hero for hockey. No, a hot dog is not a sandwich. It's one of those own things, like a taco is its own thing. It's a hot dog. Best part of having the fans back is the energy that the fans bring. Every night, every hit you throw, every fight, every goal, everybody's ecstatic. The room is buzzing. It's the best feeling to have the fans behind us and helping us with their energy in the night. 100%, it's delicious. My favorite thing about Seattle is definitely how close it is to the ocean. I love going there on days off, hanging out with the guys over there. It's a beautiful scenic area here.